Hey, what's going on, everyone? Here today I got a 2015 Toyota RAV4. Customer wanted to upgrade their factory head unit. So what they chose was this Sony Ax8000. It's a floating 9-inch screen. Has Bluetooth audio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We also integrated their factory backup camera. Comes up on the screen there. We also integrated their steering wheel controls, volume up, volume down, track forward. Those still all work. And we also integrated their factory USB port, which is down here. It's hooked right to the head unit. So if I plug in my Apple phone, which is here, activates Apple CarPlay. Here on the screen, you have Waze, you have Apple Maps, you have your phone messages, navigation, go to Waze, comes up right on the screen there. Thank you guys for watching.